Welcome back to another vlog. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm with my Valentine who is in red, so we're kind of matching pink and red today. I made Jonathan this cute little finger food late. It's like 3:04, so this technically would be like dinner. It was just something I whipped up really quickly because honestly we did not know what to do today for Valentine's Day. And this morning, actually early this morning, it was really windy, as in like it was howling outside. Okay Jonathan, so here is the first thing. Happy Valentine's Day. So it's in this like Hello Kitty box. You ready? Okay, here we go.
Come on, hurry up.
Ta-da! Happy Valentine's Day!
Oh my. I'm glad I bought Taco Bell.
No, wait, hold on. They're little sandwiches.
What's this?
I made little sandwiches. It's avocado toast and peanut butter with banana sandwiches.
Sounds disgusting.
No, Jonathan! Try it. Okay, this is the avocado toast.
Oh hell no! Where's my Taco Bell?
You don't like it?
What the is that? Banana and avocado? Dude, that is just wrong.
There's avocado toast, and then we have peanut butter and banana sandwiches.
What did you order at Taco Bell?
You didn't like it?
No, I did not.
Did you try the peanut butter and banana?
I got avocado something.
The avocado toast.
Yeah, I didn't like that one.
It's the peanut butter with banana, because literally we didn't have anything at home. We didn't have jelly. I don't know what happened. We always have jelly on hand, and this was like the first time we didn't have any jelly.
I might like that, but
Yeah.
not the avocado peanut butter or whatever.
No, it's just avocado toast. Nacho fries. Are you glad you bought Taco Bell? Okay, so you ready for dessert? This was a very impromptu dessert as well. You ready for dessert? The peanut butter banana sandwich? Okay, see, he liked that one. He's just not into like avocado toast. So here is the dessert. They're little brownies. They're in like little Hello Kitty Daiso cupcake thingy. You're the one who bought these. They're like brownie walnut brownies. Remember? Yeah. Hey. We are home. It's, oh my gosh, it's early. It's like 5:18. Cleaned up a little bit and I changed my jeans because my other outfit was getting, you know, feeling a little bit snug. We did eat a bunch of carbs, and this week, I'm telling you, this week I really got thrown off with just eating a little bit healthier. I have been trying to eat healthier. I've been cooking more. I've been counting my macros, doing so well with that. And then this week it was just like a slow progression downhill. And then today it was just all carbs. I was thinking that we would go to the beach, and when we were heading in that direction, you could already tell that there was going to be some carb backup. And yeah, it's going to be a nightmare coming home, because there was a time, I think a few weeks ago, on a holiday, instead of us taking just the freeway to go home, we ended up taking the Pacific Coast Highway, and it was a nightmare to get home. I think it took us about 2 hours to get home, when really it should have only taken us about 30 minutes. Also wanted to share with you really quickly, because I don't think I shared it with you, but this is the new vanity setup. So I found this mirror from Burlington Coat Factory. It was on clearance for $43. It was really inexpensive, and I love it because you can change the light on here, and it also has the dimmer. Hello. So you can dim it, also make it bright. But I thought it was a good deal for $43. That really isn't bad. So this is like the new setup for the vanity area, and I love it because you can also still see it when as part of my filming background. And then, hello, if you move over this way, kind of moves the mirror right here, so it's directly across, which I really think that it fits this area a lot better, just because a little bit wasted space, I guess you could say. But now at least we have an area for like outfit pictures, and it kind of fits this little side a lot better. It's been a couple hours. We just had like a very light dinner, shrimp and like veggies. That's really it, because we had a pretty heavy lunch earlier, and then I just pretty much spent the rest of the time editing because he was on his phone. And then now we're gonna do something together. We are going to watch a movie. It's called Fear of Rain, which is supposed to be a drama horror movie, I think. So it is definitely not a rom-com. It's not like a romantic movie. Although Jonathan will like sit through one of those types of movies, it's definitely not like his jam. I'm all about like romance. I definitely want to just kind of take off the lashes for now. See what a difference lashes makes. Lashes, in my opinion, just like opens up the eyes. These again are the ones from Shop Miss A from the AOA studio in the style Ariel. I've been wearing these the whole day and they are very comfortable. Jonathan, are you ready? Are you ready? Jonathan, are you ready? All right, he's ready. We just finished the movie, Fear of Rain. Sorry, I probably look really pale. I'm just putting on some skincare. Actually the movie was okay. I don't think it's like something we would have watched on our own, you know? What did you think of the movie? Huh? Yeah, it was alright. It was definitely more of like a thriller, keeps you on your toes type of movie. Not everything appears as it seems. The reason why I even heard about this movie was because I think the director is director of After We Fell, coming out I guess fairly soon, you know, from like the After movies. So that's how I kind of knew about it. Actually, I'm just applying some of the Derma-E anti-blemish clarifying toner. I just like applying this to like little blemishes because I have one right here. Derma-E vitamin C concentrated serum. Just put some of this, just pat it onto the skin a little bit. So that's basically our Valentine's. Very chill, relaxed Valentine's, I would say, compared to last year. Last year, what did we do? We went to the Aquarium of the Pacific, got to spend time with one another, and that's like the most important thing. Comment below what you guys ended up doing for Valentine's Day. Was it like super low key, you know, just like something really simple? We hope you enjoyed hanging out with us. If you enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching, and stay safe and healthy, and we will see you in the next video.